Let's talk about article number 143. It talks about power of president to consult Supreme Court. It contains about it contains two clauses. Clause 1 says, if at any time it appears to the president that a question of law or fact has arisen or is likely to arise, which is of such a nature and of such public importance that it is expedient to obtain the opinion of the Supreme Court upon it, he may refer the question to that court for consideration, and the court may, after such hearing as it thinks fit, report to the president its opinion thereon. Basically, what it means that if for any kind of decision, if the president is not sure whether that decision will be legal or not, or whether it's according to the constitution or not, he may refer it to the Supreme Courts for its opinion. That's what it says, and the Supreme Court may report its opinion. I mean, there is no compulsion that Supreme Court has to give its opinion. It might even say that, okay, I'm not going to give any opinion on this matter. Even that is possible. So the thing is that we need to remember that Supreme Court has this advisory jurisdiction. That if the president seeks any advice, then it may give its advice, opinion. I mean, there is no compulsion on the Supreme Court. It may give or it might even reject it. And basically, even this consultation from president, this request from president is obviously comes through the Council of Minister, only as suggested by the Council of Minister, headed by the Prime Minister. Only then president can do this. It's not totally on his discretion. Next, clause 2 says, the president may, notwithstanding anything in the proviso to Article 131, refer a dispute of the kind mentioned in the said proviso to the Supreme Court for the opinion, and Supreme Court shall, after such hearing as it thinks fit, report to the president its opinion thereon. This thing talks about something else. Basically, Article 131 talks about original jurisdiction of Supreme Court. Supreme Court has certain jurisdiction, like it can give its opinion only on certain things, not on everything. We will talk about that in other video. But in 131 there is a provision which says Supreme Court cannot have this jurisdiction on certain items. We'll come to that later. But this clause says that if the president wants, then he can ask an opinion on even such matters where Supreme Court has no original jurisdiction. Even that means president can like if some matter X has no I mean, for example, if Supreme Court has no jurisdiction over matter X, and if the president thinks he wants some opinion on matter X, then he can consult the Supreme Court, and in that case Supreme Court shall give its opinion. It means Supreme Court has to give its opinion. It's not, it cannot say I won't give any opinion. It has to give its decision on such a thing. So that's what this clause 2 talks about. We'll talk about Article 131 in detail in another video. Only thing that we have to remember is that in these cases Supreme Court is bound to give its opinion. It can't say I won't give. But in case of advisory jurisdiction, I mean, in case of these cases, it can say I won't give any opinion. But in this cases where president asks for opinion in these cases, then it has to give. That's what it talks about.